What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we finally get to fix Stella. Well, it's the first steps of fixing Stella, I'm sorry. So I got a new core support and some new front end stuff. We're gonna go put Stella on the frame machine. I'm pulling some strings. I got some help calling in the cavalry, and we're gonna get Stella fixed. We're gonna get the core support and everything all cut and welded back on so I can start building Stella back. So we're headed to pick her up now. She's already on the trailer. She's at my buddy's house. We got to go scoop her and then head over to the body shop. So that's what we're headed to now.
Baby, this love, I'll never let it die. Touched by no one, I like to see him try. I'm a madman for your touch, girl, I've lost control. I'm gonna make this last forever, don't tell me it's impossible. 'Cause I love you for infinity, I love you for infinity. 'Cause I love you for infinity, I love you for infinity. Well, darling, my soul, you know it aches for yours. And you've been
what they would consider control points.
Okay.
Okay, it's set up in a jig at the factory when they put the rails and everything together. These numbers represent millimeters. These arrows represent distance from 0. So this car is almost perfect to this intersection. They give you plus or minus 3 millimeters on most builds.
For like OEM spec,
right?
It's plus or 3, or
plus or minus
3. Okay.
We're showing.
And all these are all one.
filling this hole since you were born. Oh, 'cause you're the reason I believe in fate. You're my paradise. And I'll do anything to be your love. I'll be a sacrifice. 'Cause I love you for infinity, I love you for infinity. 'Cause I love you for infinity, I love you for infinity. Meet me at the bottom of the ocean, where the time is frozen, where all the universe.
Well, go have fun. Let's see where we're at now.
Check the measurement.
Save you some money, especially since gas is about to go up to $7.
403. We're anything that shows up in blue is within factory tolerances.
Blue is factory tolerance.
Factory tolerance. If it gets outside, remember the other one was red.
It's red, yeah.
Yeah.
So blue. So this is the height again. I'm sorry.
This is the height.
That's height, length.
Length. This is
So we're back at 0.
back at 0
That's
on that side.
perfect.
Cutting that piece loose.
Okay. And now when we pull the other side, it shouldn't have any issues.
Let's see where we're at now with this side. Now we cut that side loose. 0,
0.
0, 0.
Damn.
We got a little bit of a out of center. C showed up 5.
So just a little bit more.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just-
We'll weld the other side in. Once we start welding, we're done.
That's done. Yeah, it's done. Okay.
Done.
Cool.
We got no pressure on it, so.
this love, I'll never let it die. Can't be touched by no one. I like to see him try. I'm a madman for your touch, girl, I've lost control. I'm gonna make this last forever, don't tell me it's impossible. Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity. Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity. You know it aches for yours, and you've been filling this hole since you were born. Oh, 'cause you're the reason I believe in fate. You're my paradise, and I'll do anything to be your love. I'll be a sacrifice. 'Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity. 'Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity. Meet me at the bottom of the ocean, where the time is frozen, where all the universe is open. Love isn't random, we are chosen. And we could wear the same crown, keep slowing your heart down. We are the gods now. 'Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity. 'Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity.
Alright, so we got Stella's front end all back together for the most part. Got the core support in, got the front leg of the rail in, got the bumper support, everything's all lined up, measured out, everything's all good to go. Just waiting on a few parts that are on back order and some cooling fans, and then we're gonna start building the rest. But that's it for this video. We're headed home now. We're trying to beat the sunlight, and we're hungry. We're gonna go to dinner. I'm exhausted. We had a long day. So see you guys next time.